from the 2004-2008 batch, so we are the super seniors, so same batch as Manish, Pradeep, and Avinash. And like for most of you, there are a lot of seniors. There were no seniors for us, so it has been a very adventurous journey for all of us, including myself. And currently I work as a project head for a clinical research organization called Ergomed. They provide pharmacovigilance and clinical research services, which is a kind of a new field which has opened up its door in India probably around 10 years ago. In early days, after pharmacy, you only had a couple of options, either to go in manufacturing, which some people can find boring, or go in sales, which again some people can find very challenging. And since we had no seniors, I was like, I'm not good for sales, I'm not good for manufacturing either, so what should I do? So I had to do a lot of research, so I googled what can I do, and then I found, oh, there's this new field, clinical research, where they are testing all the medicines. And that's when I realized that this is the field I want to go in. And then I went to London to pursue masters in clinical research. And since then, so it's been, it was in 2010, I moved to London, and since then I've been staying there, working there. So you guys have a good opportunity that Manish is there, Pradeep is there, I'm here, so we all have explored different careers. We have put in a lot of efforts and energy to find our own pathways. But for you, you have not just us, but a lot of other seniors. So speak to them and find your own interest. What are the things you want to do in your life? Whether you want to do sales, manufacturing, or clinical research, or maybe your own business. So whatever you want to do, you need to find your own interest. Once you find your own interest, just interact with any of the seniors. They would be happy to help you, guide you further in your career, so that you don't have to go through the struggles that we had to go through, because we had no seniors in our time. And I wish you all good luck in your future endeavors, whatever you want to do. Thank you for your attention.